Today's featured car of the day is a 1967 Ford Fairlane GT 390 with a 4-speed and bucket seats plus a console. And this one had 320 horsepower, had the S-Code 390 engine in it, and was the fastback hardtop with some day 2 wheels added to it, which always seems to hit a nerve. But I like them personally myself with the stock wheels that they came with, but it's the owner's dime, so whatever he wants, that's what happens. So this one was nice, being black with black bucket seat interior, and had some other day 2 mods done to it under the hood. And it's always to the owner's taste. Like I said, it's their dime, so whatever they like, that's what happens. As far as the numbers go, Ford made 18,670 Fairlane 500 GTs with two-door hardtop with bucket seats in 1967. And out of that number, you had 1,514 were built with the 320 horsepower S-Code 390 4-barrel, which is what this guy is. And out of that, only 447 were GTs with the wide ratio 4-speed, which is what this guy is. So this guy is one of 447 made in 1967. So he's definitely a rare bird, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1967 Ford Fairlane GT with the S-Code 390, 320 horsepower, black with black bucket seat interior, that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Had some day 2 upgrades done to it with different wheels and some upgrades done under the hood, but still a great looking car, and looks like it had been restored to me. But definitely a nice one and a super rare one of only 447 GTs with a 4-speed made in 1967. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.